Hey YouTubers, this morning I'm going to do an unboxing of my 550 watt coffee maker, 4-cup coffee maker. It's for my RV. I'm going to hook it up to a 2000 watt pure sine wave inverter, but the inverter hasn't come yet, so I'm still waiting on it. The coffee pot arrived this morning, so I'm going to go ahead and show you the coffee pot, and as soon as my inverter comes, we'll hook it up and see how it works. So let me go ahead and unbox it. This is it, Cuisinart, and it's 4 cups, 550 watts. So my inverter should have no problem powering this coffee pot. So let's go ahead and open it up. Looks like it has an egg carton type top on it. And the instructions are up in there, so if maybe they just got stuck up there, but look up there because your manual and warranty could be stuck up there. So, okay, take it out, wrapped in some plastic. So it's got probably a 2-foot cord on it. Take the plastic off. It's quite compact, so it'll fit just about any RV, I would imagine. The coffee pot itself is stainless steel. It has 4 cups on the side, if you can see that. It's a drip coffee maker, means that it has the stop in it, so if you're making coffee, you can pull it out while you're making coffee and pour some coffee without it staying running. Okay, and then the top, okay, water reservoir, and it has like steps on it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 steps on it. 4 steps. Okay, for how many cups you want. Take this little basket out. It holds those 2-inch cone-shaped filters. Now, I don't see any filters. I don't see any filters with this. So, unless they're in this manual, and I don't see any. So, be sure and pick up filters if you buy this, or when it gets there, you're not going to have any filters. I picked some up. They're the number 2 cone shaped. Okay. So, like I said, this is just an unboxing. So, and this goes back in with this here on the back. Okay. There we go. Alright. So, as soon as my inverter comes in, I will do a review on hooking it up to the 2000 watt pure sine wave inverter, see how it works. So stay tuned for that. So I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye. Please like and subscribe.